So here's how to fix Fortnite error occurred connecting to Epic servers. So first you want to click on the start button, right click on the start button and then go to settings. And then you want to click on network and internet settings and then click on Ethernet or your Wi-Fi or whatever you're using. And then you want to scroll down and click on edit next to DNS server. Now you want to use the following DNS, make sure it's manual on the top for the DNS settings and then IPv4 is enabled. Then you want to use 8.8.8.8 for the preferred DNS and then 8.8.4.4 for the alternate DNS. And then press save. Next, we want to check the firewall settings, so you can type on the search bar here firewall and click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now you want to click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Change Settings and you need to find the Epic Games Launcher in this list. Now if you see it already in here, make sure the checkbox next to it is enabled and also the public and private settings are also enabled. If you don't see it, you can click on Allow another app and navigate to the Epic Games Launcher, which is usually in Program Files, Epic Games, and Launcher, and then Engine, Binaries, 164, Epic Games Launcher.exe. You want to click on Open, and then click on Add, and that should add it to this list, and then make sure these settings are enabled. Press OK. Next, we want to open the CMD as admin or terminal. So you can open Start menu, search for CMD, run it as admin, or right click on Start button and Terminal as admin. Now in the terminal or CMD, you want to type ipconfig / release, and then ipconfig / renew, and then ipconfig / flush DNS. Next, you want to close this and then right click on the start button, click on run and type %, local app data, %, again, and press enter. Now in this folder, we want to look for Epic Games Launcher and double click on the saved folder. And then if you see a folder called webcache _4430, you want to right click on it and click on delete to delete this folder. And if you're getting an error message saying the folder cannot be deleted, what you want to do is go to the task manager and search for Epic Games and then end task to close any running processes or instances of Epic Games, and then come back again and try to delete the folder, and that should work. Next, you want to come to the Epic Games Launcher.exe, right click on it and then go to Properties, and then in the Target tab or in the Target box, go to the end of it and then space -http equals WinIET, and then press apply. Then you want to go to the compatibility tab and make sure disable full screen optimization is checked and run this program as administrator. Then you want to press on apply and OK. And then you can try to run Epic Games Launcher again and then try to run Fortnite to see if that solves the issue for you. Now, if you still have the issue, one last solution is to reset the network. So you want to go to settings again and then go to the network and internet section and then click on advanced network settings and then scroll down to network reset, click on it and then click reset now and confirm the network reset. And then you should restart your computer and then try to play Fortnite again, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.